How to connect Spotify to Euro Truck Simulator 2. I'm going to tell you how to connect Spotify to Euro Truck Simulator 2 so you can drive with your favorite music playing. ETS2 doesn't support Spotify directly in game, but there are a few workarounds. The simplest way is to run Spotify in the background. Just open the app or web player, start your playlist, then launch ETS2. You can use media keys on your keyboard or Spotify Connect on your phone to skip tracks without leaving the game. For more control, install an in-game overlay like Overwolf or use Steam Overlay with the Spotify web player pinned. Some players even use a tool like Truck Radio to add custom radio stations that stream Spotify's playlist indirectly, but it requires setup and a stream link. Remember to disable the in-game music so it doesn't overlap. That's it. Spotify won't show inside the cab, but you'll still cruise with a perfect vibe.